Alright, just want to get a peek at what's in relation to this area. Where am I again? Oh my god. Oh god, I can't remember. Okay, I'm in Roanoke. I can't believe I forget Roanoke. So strange how I forget things. Alright, pilot knob. What's that all about? That's the pilots. Sam Bass. Oh, it's something about Sam Bass. Okay. Alright. Tim Cole. Not sure who that guy is. Okay, black guy. Alright. Something about racism, I suppose. I'll read that in a bit here. Billy Bob's Texas. Okay. These are all pretty far away. Stockyards? Why would you have any information on them? Okay, yeah, these are getting kind of far. Chapel Trail Mural. Okay. Yeah. JFK speech site in Fort Worth. Yeah, I suppose a lot went on there. Lee Harvey Oswald's grave in Fort Worth. It was too hot. I couldn't stick around. Yeah, I could have found these places, I guess. I just want cooler weather to do it, though. I can't sleep. I can't explore. Man, they had a lot of places in Fort Worth. Cattle Raisers Museum, Cowgirl, Log Cabin Village, Fort Worth. Okay. Bonnie Parker. Wasn't that Bonnie and Clyde? Okay. First woman to administer oath of office. Okay. Alright. Alright, I saw some guys hanging out back here last night. Just in the dark. Acting weird. And there's people that broke the fence here. And might be camping out. But it's too wet. Oh, the trail kind of goes this way. Oh, deeper down. Oh, it's just so wet though. They probably don't like it so much. Oh yeah, this trail is like flooded. I wonder if they had anything back here. Yeah, it's pretty flooded. Wow. This water is something else. But people could be camping behind, or were camping behind the Walmart maybe. Not sure. Well, I have no complaints about the light now. This guy just pulled right in front. Alright, between here and the Denton Library is 16 miles. There's probably grocery stores on the way, and I'll stop at them to see if anybody has catfish. Okay, Walmart has not had catfish in the past, so that's fine. I'll look elsewhere. I'm gonna have a goal of trying to have catfish and coffee tomorrow. That's it. And I'll be looking a little harder for that catfish. Alright, despite all the paper overconsumption and meats off the aisle and all that. The fish, there's still some fish available. The tilapia. They're out of catfish, which is what I prefer. And I can't blame it on this buying rush for the corona. It's sometimes Walmarts just don't have catfish, and I'll accept that. Maybe some will show up in the morning. They close early at 11 and then open at 6. I mean, it's a little too late, it seems to me. I mean, you think maybe they would want to extend their hours, but maybe they want to close so they can restock or something. But yeah, there's no catfish here. I think I'll want to look at other grocery stores just in case. I haven't tried tilapia. I've been curious. There's plenty of it. How similar is it to catfish? I really prefer catfish, but whatever. The buying craze has affected this area. I expect actually then as I go further north for relief from the heat to find more crazy buyouts. Still staring at this underside of this semi truck all night. I wonder what this thing is. I've never really noticed this type of thing before. Some kind of a chute or a airflow. Here we are. Here's 2 tents. This is an active camp because I saw those 2 guys last night. It's a pretty good hiding spot. I guess it's not being used too much. It's hard to say if they're clean because look at this, it's trash. But you could clearly see it's well worn. Oh, all right. Okay. Alright, I climbed to the top of this hill. So, that appears to be the main one. This is a steep man-made hill. Very wet right now. Interesting. Yeah, neighbors over there. This has been an advantage for those homeless people to cut the fence and just make use of this property for sleeping when it's not really being used for anything else. They fenced it off for what? This is why I want to keep snips on me, because they fence. I question, what are you fencing this for? Okay, what are you fencing this for? People found a use for it, but they had to snip it. They had to snip the corner of that fence. So a jeweler has decided that he needs to, oh, that's his email. He's decided that he needs to close for a couple of weeks Actually saw a picture of a Starbucks that removed all their tables and chairs inside. Curious about this one. So there's no sitting outside, that's obvious. Oh my god, they took out all the tables and chairs. They took out all the tables and chairs. This is Starbucks wide then. And no, not even any sitting outside. They don't even want you sitting outside the store. They don't even want people sitting in the store or outside the store. The coffee shop. Man, those are some measures. Alright. Whoop. Alright, Albertsons was still open. And I see this Girl Scouts thing. Looks kind of curious. Taqueria Miguela's is open. Thank God. But this, I did not catch the name of this business. All closed until, wow, the end of the month. Smarch. Geez, oh, this is Girl Scouts? Oh, Girl Scout Network. Okay. The Girl Scouts is closed. Oh no. Alright, looks like I found my butter knife. Just over there. I figure I could use this. I don't need them sharp. The sharp knives are a little too much in some cases. All right, so I lost the privacy. I got a worker over there. He come over around to check me out, and then somebody parked over on that end. So I've cut back on the black pepper and on lemons because it's kind of hard on my throat. This doesn't seem that necessary. I'll find out as I continue to eat catfish, but I don't add any herbs or anything now to it. I just kind of eat it. I'm eating with popcorn. Alright, I keep trying to figure out how I can work my calves more, how I can work with jumping more. And I'm not motivated at all by jump rope. I'm not motivated at all by jump roping. I like jumping up on a higher platform, like on the picnic table stuff. But I would like to have my own box in my car. That's the thing though, I don't have enough room. That's the big challenge. I need a bigger vehicle for that. I would definitely consider carrying around a box of some kind to jump on, because I can't get motivated to jump for any other reason. Jump roping, just jumping in general. A higher platform. Because I just don't like the landings. I like the takeoff. So I figure that since the coffee is already roasted and the barley is not, I'm going to cook the barley a little bit and then pour this liquid into the French press with that little bit of coffee. Because there are different stages of preparation, pre-preparation, before everything is ready. And I've been using a lot of various herbs and stuff that don't get prepared in any way. They need to be cooked a little bit more, and because the coffee's already prepared. I might have to think of coffee as more on the same level of leaves, the various tea leaves in that preparation, that they're ready to go, as opposed to using seeds and roots. Ginger is so fun to peel because of these nodules. I can't use the vegetable peeler around so much challenge. But this adds a nice spice taste to what I intend to put together here. A nice steamed fish with boiled vegetable. And I'm gonna cut these gingers into discs and not eat them. They'll just kind of soak in the water. Alright, time to disc them up. It's such a hard fiber. Even though I can cook the carrots and potatoes thoroughly so they're at an acceptable soft consistency, take a bite into these ginger and they're hard. Like, they need to have double the amount of cooking. It's crazy. These gingers are designed to handle a lot of cooking.